Hi students, in this video we shall discuss the second conic section, parabola. Okay, we obtain parabola when plane intersects with right circular cone, right? The angle of intersection is alpha is equal to beta. That is, alpha is angle made by generator with respect to axis, and beta is angle made by plane with respect to axis of cone. Okay, so that is plane intersects like this. So in this direction plane lies. So when plane intersects in this way, we obtain a shape, so like this, that is this kind of shape, so which is called parabola. Okay, so it is, so there is a meaning for the parabola, that is para means for and bola means throwing. So that is a shape obtained when a ball is or object thrown in the space. Okay, so similarly it may be like this, anything. Okay, so any shape is called parabola. Okay, so which takes this path. So now we shall see the actual definition of parabola. So here you can see it is a curve which is made up of many points. So we can define this curve as set of all points. That is, if I consider this a parabola, then so it is set of all points, set of many points which are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. Okay, so we can also define like this shape. So that is, all these points satisfy the condition, that is they are equidistant from fixed point and fixed line. Okay, so that is, if you consider any point here, that is P, and if this is F, then PF is equal to P, let me consider it as B, the perpendicular distance. PF is equal to PB, F is equal to PB. Similarly, if you consider one more point somewhere here, P1, then P1F is same as P1B1, perpendicular P1 B1. Okay, this is any point you can consider here. P2, if you consider, then this distance P2F is same as P2B2, perpendicular. So even though it looks different, but it is equal. Okay, P2 B2. So it depends on the position of focus and directrix. Maybe I have taken wrong, that's all. So but every parabola satisfies this condition, that is all these points are equidistant from fixed point and fixed line. Okay, and this fixed point is called focus. It is called focus of parabola, and this fixed line is called directrix. This is called directrix. Okay, so this is all about parabola, basic definition of parabola. Okay, now, so if I consider a line which passes through focus and perpendicular to directrix, then this line is called axis of parabola, and the point of intersection of axis and parabola is called vertex of parabola. Okay, so this is focus, vertex, directrix, and axis of parabola. And parabola is symmetric about its axis, that is, if you fold in this way, okay, fold the parabola, then this line intersects, so this portion, that is why it is called parabola is symmetric about its axis. Now we shall discuss 4 different cases that are there for your syllabus. So that is, we consider parabola with vertex on origin and focus on x-axis. Okay, focus on x-axis or focus on negative x-axis. So these are the first 2 cases. Okay, so we can always consider vertex on origin. Okay, so other than origin, so it is out of syllabus. So therefore, whenever we consider vertex on origin and focus on x-axis, so focus on x-axis, let me consider this distance as a and y coordinate 0. So therefore coordinates of focus are a comma 0. Okay, so a is this distance and 0, that is y coordinate, it is on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0. So since by the definition of parabola, any point on the parabola is equidistant from fixed point and fixed line. That means this distance is same as this distance. So therefore, if this is A, then this distance is also A. So that means here the point coordinates of this point where directrix intersects x-axis is minus a comma 0. Okay, and it is vertical line which is parallel to y-axis. So therefore, if you consider any vertical line which is parallel to y-axis, then its equation is, I think, x is equal to minus a. Okay, so that is x coordinate of that point of intersection. So therefore equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a, or x plus a is equal to 0. So this is the equation of directrix for this case. Okay, and vertex is always 0 0. The vertex is 0 0, and focus coordinates of focus a comma 0, and directrix x plus a is equal to 0, or you can also write x is equal to minus a. Okay, so this is for vertex on origin, focus on positive x-axis, and directrix x is equal to minus a. And if you consider the equation, standard equation, so there is equation for parabola, that is the condition for all these points to satisfy to lie on this parabola. Okay, so there is a derivation, but since it is not that important, so I will just discuss that equation, that is y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the equation of parabola when focus lies on x-axis, positive x-axis, and vertex on origin. Y square is equal to 4ax. A is nothing but coordinate of focus. Okay, so there is a derivation in the book, you can go through that. So in the same way, if I consider focus in the negative x-axis, then minus a comma 0, and this will be x is equal to a. So here coordinate will be a comma 0. So therefore x is equal to a is equation of directrix. So in this case equation will be y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, so if the parabola opens to the right, then equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, focus on x-axis. And if the focus is on left hand side, that is negative x-axis, then y square is equal to minus 4x. So these are the two equations that you have to remember, okay, that are there in the next year, okay, in second year. Y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to minus 4x. Okay, here are two more cases, that is focus lies on positive y-axis, vertex is always at origin. Okay, so only 4 cases you have for your syllabus. So focus on positive y-axis, here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is, let me consider it as a. Okay, so since it is 0 comma a, so here point will be 0 comma minus a. So therefore equation of directrix is x is equal to y is equal to minus a. Focus is 0 comma a, not a comma 0. So here vertex 0 0 origin. In the same way here, if you consider focus, then 0 comma minus a, focus lies on negative y-axis, so therefore y coordinate is minus. And here directrix, so directrix here it will be 0 comma a, so therefore y is equal to a is the equation of directrix for this case. Okay, when focus lies on negative y-axis. So okay, now for this case equation is x square is equal to 4ay, and for this case x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this is what you have to remember. Okay, these equations are there for second year. X square is equal to minus 4a by x square is equal to 4a by x square is equal to 4a by where focus lies on positive y-axis. X square is equal to minus 4a by focus lies on negative y-axis. Okay, so these are the different equations for 4 different cases. Okay, now we shall discuss latest rectum of parabola. Okay, whenever you consider a parabola, so equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, right? So focus a comma 0, let me consider, and this is directrix, and this is called axis of parabola. Okay, so axis of parabola is nothing but a line which passes through focus and perpendicular to directrix. Okay, in the beginning itself I have discussed. So now this is directrix, this is focus, Latus rectum means it is a line segment through the focus. Okay, line segment through the focus which passes through focus and perpendicular to axis of parabola. Okay, that is called latus rectum. AB, this line is called latus rectum. Okay, latus is nothing but it is derived from Latin. Latus means side. Okay, rectum is straight. Okay, straight side. So it is just like a chord in a circle. Okay, so which joins any 2 points in the circle, but here with some condition, that is perpendicular, passes through focus. So it is called latus rectum. Now let us discuss how to find the length of latus rectum using formula. Okay, now by the definition of parabola, we know that whenever we consider any point on the parabola, then distance of this point from focus is same as distance of this point from the directrix. That is this distance A, B, C. Let me consider C. AC is same as AF. Okay. Now since AF is perpendicular, okay, this is parallel to directrix. AB is parallel to directrix. So therefore AC is equal to this distance, that is FD. We can say AC is equal to FD. So because this is rectangle, okay, perpendicular condition is there. So therefore, so AC is nothing but FD. So here you can see from the beginning, AF is equal to AC. F is equal to AC, definition of parabola. Then AC is nothing but FD. AC is FD, and FD is nothing but A plus A, that is 2A. So therefore AF is equal to 2A. So total length, so since parabola is symmetric about its axis, so AF is equal to FB. So therefore AB is equal to 2A, that is 4 times A. So therefore whenever equation of parabola is given, length of the latus rectum can be found using this formula, that is 4A. Length of the latus rectum is equal to 4A. Let's remember this formula, 4 times A. A is nothing but coordinate of focus. Okay, this is how we find length of latus rectum. Okay, now we shall discuss some problems on the concept parabola, that is find the coordinates of the focus, axis of the parabola, equation of directrix, and the length of the latus rectum of the following parabola. So first one is y square is equal to 12x. So first one, y square is equal to 12x. So this is the equation of parabola. We have to find all these things, coordinates of focus, axis, and parabola. Okay, now y square is equal to 12x. So in this form we have two equations, that is y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to minus 4ax. So since we don't have minus sign here, we will compare this equation with the standard equation, y square is equal to 4ax. Comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to y square is equal to y square, x is equal to x, so therefore 4a must be equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 divided by 4. A is equal to 4 1s, 4 3s, that is a is equal to 3. So this is how we have to find a first. What is the first question? Find the coordinates of focus. In this case, so you can see that y square is equal to 4x is a shape which opens to the right, like this. So therefore focus is a comma 0. So that is a. What is a? 3 comma 0. Then axis of the parabola, axis of parabola is nothing but a line which passes through focus. It is nothing but x-axis. Okay, x-axis. Axis is x-axis or y-axis. For these two cases it is x-axis, and other two cases is y-axis. That's all. Okay, axis. Then equation of directrix equation. Directrix. So for this case it is x is equal to minus a, that is x is equal to minus a is nothing but 3. This is equation, or you can also write x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then length of the latus rectum is equal to 4 times a, that is 4 into 3 12. So this is how we find focus, axis, directrix and length of latest rectum whenever equation is given. Okay. Second problem, y square is equal to minus 8x. So definitely you can guess, that is we have to compare with y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, so therefore, so either you can write minus 4a is equal to minus 8 or 4a is equal to 8. Okay, so anything is right. So minus 4a is equal to minus 8 or 4a is equal to 8. So comparing the coefficients like that you can say. So a is equal to minus 8 by minus 4, that is a is equal to 2. So this is how we find a. Then first thing is coordinates of focus. For this case minus 8x. Okay, so parabola like opens to the left, okay, like this. So directrix, okay, focus will be in the negative x-axis, that is minus a comma 0, that is minus a is 2 comma 0. And next axis is again same, that is x-axis. Then directrix, so here you can see directrix is on the positive x-axis, so parallel to y-axis, so therefore definitely x is equal to a, that is x is equal to 2 is directrix. Length of the latest rectum is equal to 4a, it is always same, it is length, so 4 into a is 2, that is 8 units. So this is how you find. Okay, length is always positive. Okay, you have to consider 4a only, not minus. So definitely you get a value positive always. That is how you find focus axis. Next one, x square is equal to minus 16y. So here comparing with x square is equal to minus 4ay. So therefore minus 4a is equal to minus 16. A is equal to minus 16 by minus 4. A is equal to 4. So x square is equal to minus 16y. So it opens downwards. Okay, focus lies on negative y-axis. That is why we get minus. That is, I think 0 comma minus a is the focus. So therefore focus 0 comma minus a, that is 0 comma minus 4 focus. Then axis. So axis is nothing but line which passes through focus, that is y-axis. You need not mention positive and or negative. Okay, it is y-axis itself, positive and negative. So then directrix. For this equation directrix is like this, that is parallel to x-axis. So therefore it is y is equal to here positive y-axis, the a, y is equal to a is nothing but 4. So this is the equation of directrix. Then length of the latest rectum is always same, 4a, 4 into a, what is a, is 4 4 is a 16. This is how you find directrix, focus, axis and length of latest rectum. Okay, now we shall discuss some problems, that is find the equation of parabola that satisfies the given condition. So in the last problem, so equation of parabola was given and we used to find focus and directrix, but now reverse, that is we have to find the equation of parabola with the given conditions. What is the condition? So there is a parabola with focus 6 comma 0 and directrix, equation of its directrix is x is equal to minus x. Then what is the equation of parabola? So that is the question. We have to find the equation of parabola. Now focus is 6 comma 0. Now when you see the coordinates of focus, you can say that it lies on positive x-axis, right? Y coordinate is 0. If the focus lies on positive x-axis, then we have only one case, right, for your syllabus, that is this case, that is parabola opens to the right, focus 6 comma 0 is given. So only one case, that is equation of these kind of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. That's all. Now this 6 value, and the value 6 tells us the value of a, okay, that is coordinate of focus, that is a comma 0. So therefore focus 6 comma 0 implies a is equal to 0, sorry, a is equal to 6, that is focus 6 comma 0 implies a is equal to 6. Okay, that is comparing with a comma 0. So for this directrix is x is equal to minus 6, definitely, so it comes here, x equal to minus 6. Okay, so a is equal to 6, therefore equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4 into a is 6, x, 4 6 are 24, x, y square is equal to 24x. This is how you find equation of parabola. Let me see second condition. With vertex 0 comma 0, focus minus 2 comma 0. So for your syllabus you have vertex 0 0 always. Okay, so no need to consider that one. Focus is minus 2 comma 0, so minus 2 comma 0, so it lies on negative x-axis. Okay, for negative x-axis, so it comes here, and equation for these kind of parabolas are minus 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4x, and this value gives us a, that is focus minus 2 comma 0, that is equal to minus a comma 0, right? So whenever focus is on negative x-axis, so we consider minus a comma 0, so that means a is equal to 2, minus 2 is equal to minus a, that is a is equal to 2. Therefore equation of parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4 into a is 2 into x, that is minus 8x, y square is equal to minus 8x. This is how you find equation of parabola, right? So this is all about finding equation of parabola with given condition. Try to solve remaining problems from the exercise, and if you have any doubts you can contact me.